Hi. What if I'm stuck in here until like school starts? So I'll have to feed me. I'll have to give me bedpans.
Or you
Oh man, why don't buckle me?
Or you can just piss out the window. Either way.
How am I gonna do that? I can't get my butt that high up in here. Great. No. Oh.
Damn it! I wanted you to struggle on them.
Ow! Look at that. Oh. It's like bigger and
It's red.
I'm gonna try that again.
Okay, you do that.
I don't know if you put it in like this. Oh! That hurt.
And I was like, babe. We had beaver fever.
Of course.
Okay. I'm gonna
try to pull it out. Listen me struggle.
And
Almost.
Are you trying to lick your elbow?
No.
Okay, cool.
Steering wheel was in the way. I probably could. But.
Not wrong. That was
Okay. I
okay.
just smacked myself in the head.
Say bye.
Oh.